Hi guys, Q from Electricus Audiovisual. Welcome back to our Highgate project. On this project we're currently on the ground floor doing all the electrical installation plus the smart lighting and running all the AV cables. Now let's go and have a look inside and see what we've been up to. So right now we've got the guys are prepping up all the cables in the rear extension. We've got some full lighting control throughout the whole ground floor, well actually throughout the whole house, with some LED tape in locations, pendant lights around certain functional areas, LED tape highlighting certain features in the room, as well as audio and Wi-Fi included, but we've concealed all the where the Wi-Fi access points are going to go because we find them unsightly. So all these cables here, this is our central hub point of where all our AV cables are going. So that'll be like your router, your home router will be going in there, our smart home processor will be going in here, our multi-room music amplifier will be going in here, and also all the video services such as Sky, Apple TV, etc. will all be enclosed in the rack in this location. Obviously we're still on first fix stage, so nothing's been dressed in completely yet and supported. We're literally just getting everything in its locations. You can see our colour-coded cables, that helps us identify what's what when we're there and come termination. It also makes it easier for troubleshooting. Every bedroom has got pre-wired for the network infrastructure as well as video distribution, because they're not having it now, but in the future they may want it. So having every room pre-wired ready to go is a must from us. That's part of what we do as a company. Well, I hope you enjoyed our first video. Please subscribe here and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.